to my musical theatre channel, Musical Gabby. And this week's video, I'll be talking about my musical box and what is inside of it. So, this musical box has all of my favourite merch inside of it. And for many, many years, when I've been going to the theatre, I've been collecting those different kind of merch from the shows. So, I got this done from somebody. And I will put the link of her name down below and her website. And she'll make anything for you. Literally anything. And a few years ago, I got her to make a box for me. And I wanted all the different musicals that are my favourite on each side painted. So, here we go. So the first side is Miss Saigon. It is rather heavy. Second side is Moulin Rouge. Front, Wicked. And Les Mis. And the top of the box is Thoroughly Modern Millie. So let's have a look inside of this box. So I have at the top Megan Hilty, her CD, and she was in Smash, the American TV musical. And inside is a signed ticket and signed CD. So I got this when I went to her concert a few years back, and I met her and she was lovely. Another CD, which is Carrie Hope Fletcher, who is YouTuber, and she's been in many, many musicals, and the upcoming May musical, Cinderella, Andrew Lloyd Webber's Cinderella. And yeah, got this at her concert. That was signed too. Also have Steps. It says to Gabby, and then all of them have signed their name. So a few years ago they came to my local town for the Christmas lights, and no one expected it. They did a sign in one of the shops that were empty, and they were really nice. All of them were lovely, and so I got the CD and I got them to sign all of that for me. The next one is Lorna Luft, who is Judy Garland's daughter, and I met her at a book signing. And this one I got her to sign for me on her CD. And I also have Judy, the musical with Renee, and I can't remember her last name. But yeah, she Renee Zellweger, that's it, in Bridget Jones. And that was a really good movie. So got that soundtrack right there. I've got the West End Does Christmas album. So they released 3 songs. One with Carrie Hope Fletcher, Rob Houchen, and another one with all different kind of musical stars singing Oh Holy Night. So West End Does is the concert. They do concerts a few days in the year, and they're all themed, and they're all full of musical theatre people, and it's all good fun, and I always go. So I've got a book here, When the Curtain Falls, which is Carrie Hope Fletcher. She has signed it for me because I met her, I think, for the 3rd time at her book signing in Bristol. Next thing is my West End Does photo shots. So on these ones, West End Does, like I said, does musicals. They do different concerts of different musical songs, animated songs, anything, and it's all full of West End stars. So these are like headshots of the people who were in the show. And so you could buy that at the concert. There's also some Bond ones too, and these were drink where you put your drinks. They came free in the mail for me because I ordered some merch from them, and they must have had some left over from a concert they were doing, the Bond one. And so they're like, there you go, have some of this. So that was extra merch I wasn't expecting. I have my favourite musical, Moulin Rouge. I will never lose this, my favourite. And I have a tattoo which says, "Come what may." Yeah, you can't see it. Which is one of the songs. Miss Saigon DVD. Got to keep that one, my favourite. And a couple more of Miss Saigon DVDs. And I have in here Lorna Luft's book of her mother, Star is Born. I believe it is signed. Where has she signed it now? Right in the front. It's a very heavy book. Yeah, there she has signed it. Right there. That is where I met her book signing. And the last, actually no, it's not the last thing. I thought it was the last thing. So I have Jeremy Jordan. I saw him in concert and that is signed. Brilliant singer, probably the best male musical singer I've ever seen. Another Carrie Hope signed programme from her concert. And I also have, last thing in here is my Dream Girls signed programme from Amber Riley, who was in Glee. I met her at the stage door and she signed it for me and said happy birthday to me. So yeah, that is the last thing in my musical box. And yeah, I keep all my important merch, so signed merch and obviously DVDs that I want to keep and not get ruined anywhere. And yeah, I love the box. It's brilliant to me. I love it. And I'll put the link below of the person who made it. I keep my musical box on my chest of drawers in my bedroom, so I see it all the time and it's really, really nice to have. And like I said, put all of my important merch in. And that is the end of my musical theatre video for today. I do musical merch on Mondays on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter, and you can have a look what kind of musical merch I have. I show programs like scripts and signed things, and yeah, you'll really enjoy it if you like musicals. And so yeah, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you next week for another musical theatre video. Bye! Hello everybody, and welcome to my musical theatre channel, Musical Gabby. This week I'll be talking about my favourite of all time musical, and that is Miss Saigon. Miss Saigon is my favourite of all time musicals. I've seen it 6 times. I first saw it when I was 8, and